This video is an extension to another one I published recently about the Crayon, and where I told you why this is such a good alternative for the Apple Pencil 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. However, in this video I got many comments about that. I actually forgot the most important thing, and I want to say it in the beginning right now. Yes, the big difference between the Crayon and the Apple Pencil is that the Crayon has no pressure sensitivity. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. My name is Tom Solid. I research the best hardware and software solutions you need to digitize your life, to become more productive at work and in your home office, so you will have more time for the things that really matter to you. And talking about hardware, yeah. If you haven't already, go ahead and watch the video I made about this Crayon, because if you want to see details about the Crayon and how it is functioning and how you pair it and everything, I showed everything in my previous video already. This video is really just a follow-up to make a few things clear. First of all, Tom, do you actually use the Crayon? The Apple Pencil is so much better and so on. And I tell you, yes, you're right. I'm using the Apple Pencil 2 actually with my iPad Pro, and as you can see, I also got the slim folio now, where I will do another video very soon. So if you're not already, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the review about this case, because I was waiting so long for this case and it was postponed many times. I don't know why. So I tell you exactly why. Don't get this Apple keyboard, okay? I can spoil this already. But now let's stay with the Apple Pencil. Yes, I'm using the Apple Pencil 2. No, I'm not using the Crayon. Would I use the Crayon if I have to? Yes, I would. It is awesome. I showed you this in the other video already, that it really works as good as the Apple Pencil. And I want to point this out once more, because so many people said no third stylus. And if you already bought an iPad for so much money, why don't you have money left to buy an Apple Pencil for 140 euros? Maybe some people saved the last penny to buy the cheapest version maybe of the iPad Pro and the small version, and they then don't want to spend another 140 euros because they know already, and now listen, because they know already they won't use the Apple Pencil for arts or something like that. It is convenient to have it on top like this. It is awesome that's charging all the time and it is connected whenever you need to use it. I agree, but I say it again, some people maybe don't need it. And I want to point out this again, that the Crayon can be used on all the iPad devices, the recent ones. So you will see here now all the devices supported by Crayon. You need 2 Apple Pencils if you want to use it on 2 different iPads. It's not always the case, I know this. It's not any third-party stylus that I reviewed loads on this channel and I, doomed them because they are just crazy bad to use on an iPad. And there I said the same thing. Why do you buy such an expensive thing and then you get an third-party stylus instead of the Apple Pencil? I was always promoting the Apple Pencil, and I tell you, hashtag not sponsored, neither for the Logitech one nor for the Apple one. I bought this on my own. I don't think either that Apple is annoyed or something about this video I made about the Crayon, because Logitech is an official partner of Apple and they developed the Crayon together with Apple. Apple is even offering this on their own app store to sell it. Why? Because they created something that schools can use when they want to go paperless. Many schools having iPads, so the students can use iPads, but they don't want to buy an expensive Apple Pencil, so they buy this one. And I tell you again, it's working as good as the Apple Pencil. It's even doing the shading stuff. So the difference really is that for the Apple Pencil 2, You can't put this on top for charging. You need to charge it with an external charger. It has no pressure sensitivity, and I understand this. If you're a digital artist and you're using Procreate like a pro, you should really go for the Apple Pencil, because this is the best thing that you can get. But this is a good alternative that you can get. So I hope I was able to clarify some things. If you really want to see the in-depth review I made already about the Crayon, head over to the video. I also put the video link into the description, so it will be easier to go there. I also want to let you know that I really appreciate all the comments on my videos, especially the last one. The first comment was, Tom, you forgot talking about the pressure sensitivity. And you are right, I totally forgot about this. And when I read the first comment, I went into the description and put it there. I put it as a pinned comment on top that I forgot about the pressure sensitivity. I always thought, should I take down the video in order to, don't mislead people because they think it's really the same as the Apple Pencil. But I didn't want to take it down because people really like the video, and I think I explained a lot in the video why I think the Crayon is a good pencil. I love the positive feedback, but I also love the constructive negative feedback, where I really can learn from. Even the pronunciation. I said it wrong again all the time, sorry about that. I always say the Crayon. It sounds like crayon. It's not what I mean. Of course, it's called Crayon. So yeah. So I thank you again for watching. If you're not already, subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date on the latest technology on going paperless. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time.